Hello everyone, welcome to TAV Mall Public School. In today's subject of science, we will discuss the chapter number 8, that is structure and function of living organisms, plants. Today's topic of discussion is flowers. In earlier videos, we have studied something about stem and leaf. Today's topic of discussion is flowers. So what exactly do you mean by flowers? The flowers, as you have seen, different types of flowers. So flowers are basically the attractive part of a plant. Different flowers have different colors, size, shape and smell. For an instant, rose plants have different size, jasmine plants have different size, shape and smell. So every flowers have different size, shape and smell. So let us discuss different parts of plants. So different parts of plants are sepals. As you can see in this picture, the sepal is this. This green portion is a sepal. It is the first part of a flower. This is the sepals. The green leaf-like structure in the outermost circle of a flower is the sepals. This is the sepals. This is the sepals. And this is green portion is a sepal, and here also this green portion is a sepal. So sepals are nothing but green leaf-like part in the outermost circle of a flower. The second one is petals. The attractive or the colorful parts are known as petals. Inside sepals, petals are present. This is sepals. Inside sepals, petals are present. It can be again of different size, shape and color depending upon different types of flowers. Now, this is the typical structure of a flower. Flower also contains male and female reproductive system. So what are stamens? Stamens are male part of a flower. This stamen has male part of a flower. Each stamen is made up of two parts, filament and anther. As you can see in this picture, this is the stamen. This portion is a stamen. A thin thread like structure is going and your yellow portion is there. This is stamen. This stamen consists of two parts. The yellow portion, which is this yellow portion, it is known as anther, and this green portion, a thread-like structure, is known as filament. So this thing is known as stamen, which comprises of two parts, that is anther and filament. So what is anther? Anther contains yellow powdery-like structure. This anther is yellow powdery-like structure, which is known as pollens. Inside this anther and this green portion is a filament. So inside this anther, if you cut this anther, you will find some pollen grains. These pollen grains are also there. This pollen grains helps very vital role in the production of reproduction in case of flowers. So let us discuss some more part. Now, pistil or carpel. As you can see, this green portion, this is a pistil. Pistil, it is a female part of the flower. Pistil is made up of three organs: stigma, style and ovary. This is the pistil. It consists of three parts. This portion, this is a stigma, and this one is style, and this one is ovary. This is the female part of the plant. You can correlate with this over here. This is the female part. This is the female part of the plant. This bulk portion is the ovary, the erect portion is style, and this stigma is this upper portion. So stigma is the top part of the pistil. It is sticky in substance so that pollen sac can stick to it. This stigma, it is sticky substance. This is a sticky substance. The next one is style. This is the style middle part. It is a tube which connects stigma and style. This is the tube which connects stigma and style. The detailed analysis of what is the style and stigma, you will come to know how actually the reproduction takes place in flowers or not. You will come to know in later standard. For a time being, you have to simply focus on different parts of flowers. Third one, that is third female part of the flower, that is ovules. This swollen bulgy portion is ovules. Swollen part, it contains egg-like structure called ovules. This egg-like structure, it is called ovules. Pollen grain fuse with ovules to form a seed. This pollen grain, which is a male reproductive part, fuse from stigma. It travels from this portion. Here it gets fused to form a seed. This is ovule. This from this portion pollen grain stick with the stigma portion. Here it travels, and from here it forms seed-like structure over here. In this ovule, it get diffused to form a seed-like structure. How exactly it happens, you will come to know in later standard. Now, what is pedicel? Pedicel. It refers to a structure connecting single flower to its inflorescence. It holds individual flower in place. So, what the structure of a plant is given by a phenomena which is known as pedicel. Now, what are different functions of flowers? So, different functions of flowers are organs of reproduction. It grows into fruits and seeds. So, flowers act as an organ from which fruit and seeds grow. It provides color, fragrance, and even it is used for decoration purpose. Yes, in atmosphere it provides color, different fragrance are there, which is because of flowers, and it is used for decoration purpose for in our houses also. It is used in perfumes also. We use perfumes of different flowers like jasmine, rose, etc. Even in medicinal purpose, flowers plays a very important role, like cloves, oil, and all. It is used as a medicinal purposes. It is used for medicinal purposes. I hope you have understood the concept of this chapter. Thank you.